Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here, Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. And hope you've been following along. We had some really good trading points, and there was potential to make some good pips. So, what's going on today? Well, it looks like to me dollar yen is starting to recover a little bit, and we got a potential to rally up to 155.70. Now, don't know if it's going to happen today. It's a Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Weekend's coming up. We get the night off tonight. We get Saturday off, and then Sunday evening on the East Coast, we get right back into it. And I'll do the weekend forecast as well this weekend. It's 7:01 in the morning, January 31st, 2025. And so, what do we got in dollar yen? Well, right now, dollar yen has to hold this 154, say 25. 154, 25, 35 level, 30 in the middle, right there. If we can hold this level, I think it's a good buy down in this level with area with a stop really in this area. You're looking at 80-point stop, but I believe that we're going to be trading back up to the 155.70 with a potential to get up to this area here, which is hang on, let's get out of drawing mode. 156.32. That's what it's looking like. Now that's looking into the future. It all depends. It's got to hold this 30 level to continue showing that it's bid. All right, let's go over good old sterling dollar. This thing, it really has been in a rectangle. Again, it's basically last year, just about 2 months ago, we were in a rectangle that was dropping lower. We never hit that 120.20 target that I was looking for. We're sitting around 124.10. Really, I think it's there's not much to it. It hasn't turned super bullish yet. It's basically neutral to still slightly bearish. In order for it to shake off its bearishness, it needs to get over 124. Hang on a second here. It needs to get up like through this close here, this high bars close, 125.02. That would shake off the bearishness and start to say, hey, we got a potential to go up. Right now, it needs to hold above the old low, like it needs to hold above, like, say, 123.45. Right there. So this is the big rectangle that went. Did I say triangle before? I, that's how great I am with geometry. I don't know if I said triangle. If I did, forgive me. I meant big rectangle right here. In order for it to really show any type of strength, it needs to get above this level, and then it's going to be trading into even another kind of narrow range right here, 125 and a 50, 126.10. I think it's a big nothing burger right now. So I really pay attention to the cross more than I would pay attention, the sterling yen, the euro yen, more than sterling. It's kind of boring. So let's go over to good old euro yen. Let's do that one first. All right, where's my notes on euro yen? Okay, so 159. Okay, so we made a low of what? 150, 159.90. I got 159.87. Okay, 159.90. What do we go up to? Really, another one that's if I was going to take a stab at it, say a pullback would be a good level to buy it. Not because the euro dollar is going to take off, but I think dollar yen is going to pick up steam and go up, and the euro and the sterling are going to do nothing. So therefore, the cross will slightly move up. It's not very, powerful moves. This is not really super bid. It's basically neutral, slightly bearish, but with the potential to recover part of this downward leg. Potential to recover that. a little bit, like up into the middle of it, like maybe 162-ish. So what does it have to do? Well, it's got to hold above really this level right here, very close. I'd say 40. Let's be conservative and say 160.37, which it actually just popped down to. Oh, son of a gun. It's got to hold 160.37. If it breaks 160.37, we're looking probably at the low bars close, the 160, the figure level. What does it need to do? Well, it needs to get through, like, I have to say 161.15. If you see it break 161.15, most likely we're traveling back up to maybe 162.20-ish, something like that. So it is, it is right now attempting to recover this bear leg a little bit into the bear leg. Now, if somehow, for whatever reason, the euro dollar recovers a little bit and the dollar yen and if I'm correct in dollar yen, where it's actually, I think it's kind of slightly recovering and heading up towards the 156 again, and the euro dollar gets some steam and starts to come up above 104.50, well, you're going to see the crosses really recover pretty well. In other words, they'll be higher. Same thing with the sterling yen. Did I cover sterling yen? Oh no, I didn't cover sterling yen yet. Okay, let's do sterling yen. All right, here we go. Good old sterling yen. Very cover. All right. Whew. All right, so we had a low of 191 19-ish, 191.20. So I think this is the same scenario as the euro yen. Okay, it has the ability to try to recover some of this bearish leg right here. Let's see. We need to hold above. 190. Hang on, let me move this up a little bit. Let's use this line. 191. I'm going too far. Wow. Okay, we use the 191.49. It's got to hold above 191.49. So any type of dip down would be, in my opinion, a good level to buy it. Let's stop at like 190.90. I believe that we're heading back towards like 190, 192.90, 193.10, like that. I think that we're heading back towards this area right there. I don't know if it's going to happen today. It's Friday, but sometimes Fridays are trend days, and they really pick up speed. Now, if we break this, we're going back up to like the 190, 194 area. So there you have your cross currencies and your dollar-based currencies in 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Share my videos far and wide. Leave some comments for me. Give me a thumbs up. YouTube loves the algorithm. It's all about algorithm and advertising. I don't advertise, but people, if they see me getting traction, they'll advertise on my channel, and then it gets more views and blah, blah, blah. And, I want to become famous, man. All right, so I look forward to talking to you over the weekend. And I'll have a lesson for you over the weekend. And I think we're going to do a cool lesson on how to use the Fibonacci channel tool on TradingView. So look forward to seeing you then. And remember, always enjoy the party, dancing at the door. Cheers.